So this is after the rinse cycle, and we actually had to leave the door open a little bit, ajar, um, like this, because it doesn't have a cycle. There's a rinse only, but when you do the rinse only, you can't get heat to dry it. So it ends up being very wet. I should have, I'll take another picture or another video next time we do the rinse cycle when it's complete, so you can see the disaster of no drying action. So even after we've left it open, you can see there's water there still. See, there's water still on these. So that's it.